Welcome again, guys. The new week already starting off pretty rough. I got in on a trade on Japanese index, and it's not looking so good. So we're back, and real shitty day. Gold hit breakeven before this crazy move, so it was really painful. We broke even on this with this second entry. This was where I entered. Market came back and took us out here, and this is basically hitting take profits today. We hit a stop loss on Bitcoin. Like you can see this massive expansion. This is actually now a zone for a re-entry for buying continuation. And we also hit a stop loss on Japanese index. Crazy. Pretty rough start for a week. We're down to from 5,002 to 4,951. So until tomorrow, Asian session, we're done for the day. Alright, it's Tuesday. Good morning. We're back on the charts again. It's not been the best start of the week. So we had a trade on gold which hit stop loss quite fast. Looks like I'm going to buy today. You can see we got in here. This is only 1 minute chart. 1 minute time frame. We got in here and stopped out instantly. Currently in the position on GBBAD. So as if immediately we got in for the sales, market started reversing. Crazy stuff. So GBBAD. This was my main entry here. But I had to wait for something to work with. So we entered this zone. I can made a pullback and I entered. So this is my initial entry. This is my current entry, 4.6R. So welcome back. Good morning. It's Wednesday and GBBAD has moved finally. So we got in about here. Market consolidated for a while. We had this drop. I don't know if there was news. There was no news. So we had this drop. I'm looking at a re-entry here. I did have a re-entry, although it's not here. I just entered the position on a lower time frame. But then my was about here. So market came back, as you have seen. Market came and took me out. So I lost $10 there. I'll show you on MT5. So I don't have a lot of trades today. I just have this re-entry. Then on gold, I'm looking at buying gold. From drop on gold has been massive. Drop on gold has been really massive. I might move this entry to cover this, but with gold you can't really go too big with your entries because using an entry that large could make even the least lot size risk of like $30 to $40, and then my standard risk is 20. Back in drawdown, so I can't risk too much. I just use, even when I'm out, I'll just take the $20 risk. So this will be my inducement for this position. I'm using this as my entry. Pretty crazy, pretty far. I don't know how far to target. I don't know if to target for the next high. If I could get a re-entry, then I'll do that. But this is what I have for now. Looking at UJ, I've been looking at UJ to make a retracement into this zone. I had the setup. One of this indicator. At this setup on UJ. You can see that on GBBAD we are currently running. I see the drop. We entered here. I have broken even. So it's just forming inducements for me, which is something I admire. I can only see that I put my sell limit, my stop loss. I'm risking 20 on this. I'm going heavy. I usually put 10 for re-entries, but I'm going heavy this time. And we're back. GBBAD. I got the re-entry, although this is quite a risky move because there was no inducement. So GBBAD. This is where we are. I hope it keeps going great and we actually get this win. 8R and 4R, total of 12R again. Gold, I had a setup on gold, but it seems like gold may have ignored my setup. This setup going to MT5. Currently running this is the main position. This is the re-entry. 0.13 lots, 0.05. Hope for the best. We hope for the best. So BPAED. Yeah, this is NAS. GBPAED. This is the re-entry. Hope it goes well. For a combined TP of 165 and 86. Catch you guys later. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday morning and back on the chat. Not the best day for us. Wednesday wasn't the best. I see GBPAED 8 stop loss on the re-entry and the main position hits Breakeven. And the market is getting crazy. Here's the JPY. I found this entry, but I closed the trade about here for about $2 loss. Because after this break even on GBPAED, I wasn't really happy, so I just closed all my trades. So and I had risked. My risk on this was 20, so back to 25. Japanese index in the 30 minutes, the breakout block entry. We came from here with this as an inducement packet. But here, this is more like a re-entry, the main position. So good evening, guys. I've made a recording all day. It's Thursday and we're able to catch a Japanese index trade. I actually put the limit since about 11 p.m. on Wednesday night. So breakout block entry, market has behind this other block. We got in from there. Market hasn't really moved a lot. So this is my final target. Yeah. So you can see on the MT5, we got in here. We almost hit the stop loss. Market's going up. Take profit is just here, which I was actually thinking I might drag to about this zone, just for good measure. Then yeah, because that's my take profit on trading view just here. It shows 4 hour, but I think looking at that is about say 5 hour. About a 5 hour. On BTC I have this. I have this on BTC. Markets has given us a double break of structure to the upside, and I'm suspecting, okay. That's what I have for now. It really sucks. Look at GBPAED, it came back and hit our break even yesterday, and you can see the sales. I'm looking in for any sell. Maybe if I retrace to this one, we might not spot. Keep you guys posted. That's all for now. Alright, so good morning, guys. It's Friday morning. I've been really stubborn with this, but so I'm looking for a sell on GBP AUD. Japanese index is looking good, looking really good. So I'm expecting when the market comes here, if it gets here, I'll enter from this. Enter here for another 5 hours, risking 10, sticking to my rules and risking just 10. But if this trade hits TP, I'm basically I've broken even this week, no profit, no loss. Okay, loss of $2. Then BTC, our market is moving quite well. So my entry remains here. I did modify it a bit. Alright, so on MT5 we are here. Japanese index. You can see take profit is 101 USD. I'm taking my profit just before this candle. I'm to stay out of any form of risk. So it won't be safer out. This would have been my take profit. My take profit would have been my take profit would have been 93, but yeah, I'm assuming market to create a new high, but let's just be safe at 101. So for my BTC limit still remains risking 20, blink 136. It will get tagged in GBP risking 20. This is not a re-entry, this is an actual trade to make 168. So that's about an 8R. Okay. That's different from what is on TradingView. So about an 8R. So I'll keep you guys posted based on any other updates. So alright guys, we're back. It's past CPI on Friday afternoon. We're about 2:45. We also have news again. So we're running on crazy profits on Japanese index, $84, close to take profits. Take profits is about 100. Second take profits. All the other setups have not triggered. We had GPBAD that has not triggered yet. It has been dancing, but this remains my inducement and my entry. USD triggered. Oh, selling real good. I think I'll soon enter the trade if I'm actually looking for something. CPI triggered the trade, but I'm not entering yet because we also had news by 2:45. So by 3 p.m. I will find an entry and I just open, place an order and protect a level I feel is going to work. But this is Euro USD. I have not entered yet. I had this gold trade, but I didn't take it. I had it, so I think beginning of the week. So this was it. Looking at that, BTC is selling for some weird reason. So I've had this double break. My limit still remains. I don't have, Japanese index, I didn't show you yet. So this is Japanese index on 2-hour time frame. This is the trade very close to TP. You can see my take profit is actually here. Just at the start of this candle, this doji. I had a re-entry, but the same market might not be respecting that now. Might respect it later, maybe next week. But this is what I have on Japanese index. So I might enter this Euro USD trade. I might enter and see the drop is crazy. It's really, really crazy, but no FOMO, I'm not rushing in. I'll wait until I see a decent entry, maybe something like 5 minutes. Possibly this zone, and I'll go in and see this other blockade and market has left for us. But this is what I am seeing. This is my inducement. And this is my entry. I think I'll go crazy and make this more tight. Alright guys, so catch you guys later. Alright guys, it's the weekend, today is Saturday. I didn't record for the rest of Friday, but this is how we closed on Japanese index. This is what gold looked like. Setup I had. I didn't take it because I've been skeptical because the market didn't take out this zone. BTC. Market hasn't come back. So that's how we close the week. Going to MetaTrader. We have that our balance is currently 4,900, our equity is 4,006. The take profit on this trade is supposed to be 100, so back to breakeven. So we hope for the best on Sunday, 11 p.m. And going to the dashboard, this is the calendar. Pretty messy week actually. The month hasn't been great at all. Right now we started 2 trades. This is actually on Sunday. This was BTC. I'll show you my trade overview. We have to left 32, no trade. I've basically been holding Japanese index since Thursday and Friday. That's why it looks as if I haven't taken any trade. Looking at the trading overview for the week, starting from 28th. That's when we took the loss on gold on Japanese index for 25. I didn't exactly manage my risk because my risk was inconsistent. I had 25 here, 25. So these 2 trades was 1% of my account gone just with 2 trades. Then I dropped to 20 using about 20. I took another loss. And here was my this was breakeven on a GBP. Here was a re-entry. Was this a re-entry? Yes, it was a re-entry. I took a loss. Also another re-entry. I took another loss. I'm still confused as what this 10 is. Here then USDJPY. This was a trade I entered for sales, but based on after hitting this loss, I wasn't just in a good mood. I closed all my trades. This gold bar you see positive. I mistakenly, if you see the lot size 0.05, I mistakenly hit buy on my MetaTrader. When I realized what happened, I was quite lucky that when I closed the position, I actually closed it in profit. So that was a huge mistake. So that's why we have this green. So the calendar, this is the calendar. Month is ending this week. Month is ending next week. So this is it. It looks like 2 red days. It's actually 2 red days. So that's how we rounded up the week. The total P&L, I've lost $100 this week, so total P&L is about 28 for 128. Hope for the best week next week. See you guys next week.